कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं आप लोग कास्ट मेंबर?
Sorry, my phone. So, I don't know if it. I will speak in English.
Yeah.
I don't know if it breaks. More than breaking, it's sometimes like mirroring what's also there. Even we are even. I think shy to kind of explore and show what also happens for real.
Yeah.
So I don't know if it's more that for me. That's what I would
Yeah.
say.
I think like carrying on to what she said, it's acceptance because हम अक्सर औरतों को बहुत पनिश करते हैं, हम उन्हें एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते वो जैसे होते हैं. So with the title Girls Will Be Girls, हम लोग बोलना चाहते हैं कि we should accept what it is and embrace our awkwardness, our vulnerabilities like that.
Yeah.
Yes, come on. Keshav, say something.
The first question.
I'm also an actor.
You're not an actor, you're quietly.
Challenging scene would be, there was this scene where I had to drink a lot of milkshake. So
Strawberry milkshake.
स्ट्रॉबेरी मिल्कशेक तो मैंने टेस्ट किया था, मुझे बहुत पसंद आई थी, तो मैं तो बहुत एक्साइटेड था कि ये सीन करेंगे अभी. बट I almost forgot that Suchi ma'am is a director who does about 10 to 15 takes. So in my first 5 itself I drank so much कि बाकी takes में बहुत ज़्यादा दिक्कत हो गई थी. And then I had to take a 1 hour break because my stomach was not responding well. So that was the most difficult scene for me.
हम तीनों एक्चुअली इनफैक्ट सब लोग यहाँ जो बैठे हम बहुत अच्छे डांसर्स हैं और इस फिल्म में बहुत अच्छे डांस सीक्वेंसेस हैं, बट चैलेंजिंग होता है जब हम लोग फिल्म में शूट कर रहे होते क्योंकि हम साउंड नहीं यूज़ कर सकते थे क्योंकि हमें ऑडियो अच्छा चाहिए था, तो सब म्यूट पे था और केशव और कनी बहुत अच्छा नाच रहे थे और मुझे खुश नहीं होना था उस सीन में, तो मैं चुप खड़ी थी और वो दोनों साइलेंट में डांस कर रहे थे और मेरे को उस सीन में टेंशन में रहना बहुत मुश्किल था क्योंकि वो इतना अच्छा डांस कर रहे थे, मेरे को हंसी भी आ रही थी. So I had to stop that and watch them perform.
On mute.
Yeah.
For me, I think in this dance scene, I think mainly for me was how Anila would dance rather how I would dance. So I don't have a specific scene. For me, all scenes were quite difficult to understand this character. I think that was the most difficult part of the whole film for me. The story, how do I play this person, and it's not like she's right and wrong, and how to find a grey side of a person. And Shuchi and actually Preeti, I would say these two really helped me to find the character. So yeah, it was not one particular scene for me to always get her right in every scene. And I don't think I've succeeded in all scenes. And I watched the film, I'm like, here it's going away. Yeah. Yeah.
किसी की ग्रोइंग अप की कहानी है, उसमें क्या क्रिटिसाइज करने की बात है? इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल स्टोरी. It's a very simple story. I don't think it will invite criticism. And we've traveled a lot and won awards at festivals. So I'm confident that more or less the themes are universal and people will enjoy watching the film.
I
और
think,
क्रिटिसाइज करना भी लोगों का हक है, करते हैं तो करें.
Yes, yes.
I think that sums it up. pretty much.
Yeah, like-
Reviews we would be looking forward to, which are, I suppose, still left. But I think the whole year we've gone through that journey, and the film has already had some amazing critical acclaim. And look forward.
The issue for women and for men also is patriarchy, and the film takes it on quite head on without being preachy. वो आप देखेंगे तो समझ जाएंगे.
Yeah, wait and see.
One takeaway.
Talk to your mothers because they don't get to speak often and बहुत suppress करते हैं अपने emotions और सब हर चीज़ को. So if after the film we can call them up and ask them how they're doing, that would be I think the best takeaway.
For me, I think it came from Shuchi to me. Then, like, we are complex people. We are not one of a kind, and to keep an eye keep an open eye to accept people with all their grey, and to have, that's something like I thought this story made me kind of widen my spirit to accept all different kind of people. And she showed me like there are such subtle differences in each people, and you can't really put them in a box or in a bottle and something like that. And that's what that the story gave it to me. I mean, and I think a story can give people a lot of things. I don't want to reduce it to one thing, that's what they should take away. That's how I think. Yeah.
Entertainment.
Strawberry milkshake.
Keshav? Huh?
As an actor or as a person?
As an
Audience.
actor.
Just take Keshav away.
Audience. Okay, as a person, individual, I would say it is ki people could hurt others without having the intention of that. So just being more mindful.
That is the cutest way you could have justified and found. Oh, so sweet. Oh, nice one. Nicely done. I mean, his characters, I mean, at the end of the movie, you find out he's a murderer, so it kind of becomes unredeemable. So, I don't know if you don't take that away from I'm sure. It's a slice of life
Sorry, guys.
film, and a very, very sensitive film. It's, what people should take away from it is just relationships, and all relationships have their own fingerprinting, I suppose.